Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove watermark on CapCut PC in one click. So let's say that you've already added your video and you want to export it. So I'm going to just click on export. And here you don't want the CapCut watermark to be visible in your video. So the watermark will be like this at the like right corner of your video. And to remove the watermark, you can actually just click on this box right here, and then the watermark will be disappear. So for this to happen, you need to log in into CapCut to remove the watermark for free within a limited time. So there are a limited time, but basically you just need to log in to remove the watermark. And then when you export, just check this button and then click on export, and there will be no watermark in your video. Okay guys, so that's a simple tutorial for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment. And if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Thank you.